Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce email bounce rates with SendinBlue, full guide step by step clearly. To effectively reduce email bounce rates using SendinBlue, start by understanding the different types of bounces. A hard bounce occurs when an email cannot be delivered due to an invalid email address. A soft bounce happens when the email address exists but the email cannot be delivered temporarily. Begin by cleaning your email list to eliminate invalid addresses. Use SendinBlue's list cleaning tool to identify and remove hard bounces from your database. This process helps verify the validity of email addresses before they are added to your list. Regularly segment your email list based on engagement and interaction. Regularly monitor your email reputation score within SendinBlue. A low reputation score can impact your deliverability and increase bounce rates. Make sure to authenticate your emails by setting up SPF and DKIM records. This proves that your emails are legitimate and enhances deliverability. Consistently test your campaigns before sending them to your entire list. Sending test emails allows you to catch potential issues early on. Make use of SendinBlue's analytics to track bounce rates and identify patterns. Review your bounce reports regularly to gain insights about your email list health. Lastly, continually update and maintain your email list for better long-term results. By following these steps, you'll significantly reduce your email bounce rates with SendinBlue. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.